Alright, YouTube, I'm doing the rear disc brake conversion. I'm doing my cut right now. Come here, back up. Already did the passenger side. I gotta do the driver's side right now. I'm in the middle of a cut right now to take the bracket off. Let me try to adjust this camera for y'all. There y'all go. Alright, let me put my glasses on and get to work. Battery died on me.
Daddy?
Battery died on me. But, shit. I should be able to knock that motherfucker off with a hammer because the cut is all the way at the end. Since I gotta grind the sides down anyway. Come on, baby, get up. There you go.
Daddy.
Where'd that hammer go? Watch out, Chase.
Huh?
Come this way. This way. There it is.
Daddy.
There it is, YouTube.
Yeah.
That cut.
Cut?
See, my son, he want to be on the camera. Look, this is Chase, everybody. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, go on, get up out of here. All right, so there's the cut. Looks pretty even, but I'm gonna have to shave this down.
Daddy.
Shave this down. And then I gotta do my holes a little better. This cheap ass drill, where the hell is that? This cheap ass drill from Harbor Freight. That shit started smoking on me. So I gotta finish my holes. So I gotta go to Harbor Freight, or I might just go to Sears and get a better drill. More money out of my damn pocket, but there's the cut, and passenger side is already cut. I gotta do my holes for the passenger side, and then I gotta do my holes at the top. I'm gonna put a posi rear end in there with 373 gears. Clean that motherfucker up. And here is my back plate with the caliber. I'm not doing my rotors right now because I'm gonna get some drilled and slotted rotors. So for right now, I'm gonna just put the back plate on with the caliber, and I'm gonna show y'all when I finish.